Josie. What you squealing about? Huh? You gonna do some of your zerberts? Or your raspberries that you've been doing? Yeah? You're just gonna smile at the camera, huh? Can you do your... Josie! Can you do a... Hey! Hey, look at Mom! No, she's more interested... There it is. That's what she did on the whole car ride home. Yep, we went to go pick up some food. And now she's a little distracted by the camera. I know it. I know it. We're just waiting for Dad and Amos to get back from their run. Yep. Exactly. Exactly. Yep. Yep. It's our way of maybe practicing how to blow out candles for Aunt Tammy. Happy birthday, Aunt Tammy. Bye.